I think you know at first you need to download Android Studio from Google, then install your PC. Okay. Then open Android Studio, name Android Studio homepage. You can create Java or Kotlin project. So I will go to create Java project. Click this button. Here is the project details. Here left side you see phone and tablet, wire, television, car, etc. So I select phone and tablet, select empty activity project, then click next. And here is the your application name. Just I type my application name, my demo app. This is my application name, and here is the your application package. Type your domain name like this. My domain name is post. Then save location, meaning where you save your project. So I save my project in CDEP Android Studio folder. This is project save folder. Then minimum SDK number 7 API 24. At this moment 2026 Android Studio default support Kotlin. So that's why I couldn't find in Java language. So no problem, Java or Kotlin. Kotlin is best. Finish. Then click finish. This generating app. Here my Kotlin. Click this build icon and you see your build progress. Here build progress complete, and left side you see the project, you see Android. Here is your XML file, and here is your Kotlin main activity. So I have already a virtual device. I run this virtual device. You can connect your real phone or you can use virtual device. Then this, select your device, then run. Just read how you can create Java or Kotlin project by using Android Studio. So if you feel this video is helpful, you can like, comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you.